I'm back with another crazy burrito video. That's right, I had another idea here. This one kind of started evolving after I did the Trace Meatloaf's burritos. You may have seen that sometime back. I'll try to put the link up here, or it'll be at the end of this video if you want to take a look at that one. That kind of kicked off the whole crazy burrito thing here, and it got my mind working. The Italian meatloaf, the meatloaf alla casalinga that I made there, that really, the flavors of that just have stuck with me, and it really reminded me a lot of a meatball sub. So I thought meatball burrito, and then I thought sausage and meatball burrito, and then I thought, how soon could I make that? And here we are. Okay, now that we're all caught up, let's start off here. I've got a nice warm 12-inch flour tortilla that I warmed up on my comal over there. If you want to buy one of those, I love it, and they're wonderful. And I'll see if I can put a link down there, an affiliates link for that. And if you buy that, I would make a little bit of money. But seriously, I don't know how I ever lived without it. So I like the thing, and you might too. If you do, great. If not, well, then ignore this part of the video. Let's move on to assembling a burrito. Okay, what do we have? We have a bunch of meatballs, and we have sausage. And this is cooked in the sauce. The meatballs are all formed up. They're a little extra big because it's going in a burrito, unless you like really big meatballs. And then this is a perfectly normal sized meatball right there. I cooked these up, browned them up, and then they basically cook in the sauce for about an hour, which fully cooks the inside and keeps them beautifully tender and amazing when you get the browning on the outside. And the sausage, I just took the links and cut them into about 1-inch pieces, bite-sized pieces, because putting a whole link in here is great and all that, but it's going to make it a little awkward for eating, and you have to always think of the final product and how is it going to be enjoyed by the person trying to enjoy it. And if they don't enjoy it, then they didn't enjoy it. And I'm going to stop saying enjoy it now, because that word has lost all meaning. So we have our meatballs. We have a little bit of marinara on here because it's a meatball sub burrito with sausage. We have mozzarella cheese. I've got some provolone cheese, and I have some shredded Parmesan cheese. Yes, that would be Trece Formaggio, something like that. I don't speak Italian or any other interesting languages. I apologize. There's just, you put a couple things together. I don't know if that's right. Leave me a comment down below if you speak Italian and I butchered that really badly. I bet I did. Let's get back to the food. Okay, first thing we are going to do. First thing is provolone's going down. Because this thing about a meatball sub to me is it's got to be nice and cheesy. It has to have that right amount of cheese in there. The meatball sub, the best one ever. I'm going to put, you know what? I'm going to cut the meatballs up because, again, we're thinking about how we're going to eat this. So I even brought a knife over. I didn't forget anything. Didn't I once say that the day I don't forget something, you should alert the authorities that I've been kidnapped and replaced by a robot? The day's not over yet. Let's see how this goes. Okay, you can see the inside of this meatball. It's got the little bit of cheese in there. It's got the goodness. I'm about to drop that. I don't want to do that. So we're going to take our meatballs. I got 4 meatballs here. I'm going to get them as much in as humanly possible, or burrito-ly possible. I'm no mere human. I am crazy burrito guy. That, come on. We better have, come on. I'm getting all the meatball bits in, and then we're going to load the side of it up with some of these beautiful Italian sausages here. And cook those up pretty much the same way, just brown them up, and then they go in the sauce and finish cooking on the inside, and they're delicious and amazing. And I even put some red peppers, roasted red peppers, in the sauce because it's so yummy. I'm gonna, holy crap, what the hell? If it doesn't burrito, we'll know why, because that extra scoop might have done it. That's a lot of stuff to go into a burrito. I think I can do it. We're going to put down a little bit of our parm because it's delicious. We're going to put down a little bit of our mozz because it's delicious. We're going to put on some more marinara because there's not enough in here already. Come on. Okay. Technically, is it a marinara if you cook this, the meatballs in it? No. It's a red sauce at that point. I'm really going to do this. I'm really doing this thing. Are you kidding me? We're really doing this thing, folks. She's poking out. She's going wide. I'm losing stuff. Oh yeah. I may have overdone it. And by I definitely overdid it. Yeah. There's too much stuff in there and it will not all fit. I don't care. Do you care? I don't care. That's going to be a little hard to eat now, isn't it? Hold on one second. I'm going to grab a towel. I forgot a paper towel. See, it's me. Okay. Who am I kidding? I'm going to hang on to this. I'm going to need this in a second. I'm not even going to try and grill this thing. That would be impossible. She's nice and hot. Oh, yeah, she is. I'm going in. I'm gonna cut it, and then we're gonna see what it looks like inside. And I'm taking a bite of this thing. Holy cow! What have I done? I may have gone too far. Will it burrito? Maybe. Did it burrito? That is gonna be the question. I'm gonna try this end. This end seems nicer. See if I can get under it here. Oh. You see this? You see what I'm working with here? Do you see what I did? Do you see this thing? Well, I'm not going to set it down. Let's take this bite and see what we got. Well, that's a meatball sub and a burrito. Oh, it doesn't have all that pesky bread in there getting in the way of the meat and the sauce and the cheese and the goodness and the... Could have probably used a lot more cheese, if I'm being honest with you. Could have put a ton more cheese in there. A little less meat, maybe. But a lot more cheese. But yeah, you don't get a lot of cheese in that, which is crazy, because it's got the provolone, the mozz, and the Parmesan. But just not enough of them. So add a lot more of that and a little less meat. And you, come on, I got to take another bite. Oh yeah, that'll do. So if you don't have a hoagie roll, but you got some like leftover meatballs and sausage and various things, you now know what to do with it. With your giant tortilla and all the goodness. Oh my God. Okay, that was awesome. Oh, I'm gonna tear this thing to pieces right after I say with a clean face. I feel like there's some over here. It's definitely done by hands pretty good. I'm gonna say thanks for watching this video. That was a weird one, but it was a quick one. So, you know, what you lack in, I don't know, beats the hell out of me. I've got food coma things starting here because, oh, that is really, really yummy. So, I'll keep it short. I'll keep it sweet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. I got more crazy. I have a list of crazy burritos. This is just the one that was screaming to me. So, this is why this one got made. There's more out there. If you got any suggestions, I always love to hear them. As always, till I see you next time, have a good one.